Hello everyone, moving ahead with our new chapter, that is chapter number 12, time. And we are very familiar about the word time. Time શું છે, time કેવી રીતે જોવાનું, time કેવી રીતે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરવાનું. We are much familiar about it. So here are the few points that we have to remember. The first one, the dial of the clock is divided into 12 big divisions and 60 small divisions. You can see over here, the dial is there. Here is your dial. The dial of a clock, they are divided into 12 big divisions, and you can see the red color linings, they are total 60. So they are the small division. બરાબર, એટલે આપણો જે ઘડિયાળનો જે ડાયલ આવે છે, this dial, that dial is divided into 12 big division and 60 small division. The longer hand is called the minute hand, right? આપણા ક્લોક જે longer hand તમને દેખાય છે, the longest one, here I have colored it with green. The longest one, that is your minute hand. એ કયો hand છે? Minute hand, right? And the shortest hand is called the hour hand, right? Shortest, none, none. So this is your hour hand, right? That is your hour hand. The hour hand takes 1 hour to move from one number to another. Means what? If this hour hand has to move from 2 towards 3, 2 to 3 જવા માટે એને કેટલા કલાક લાગશે? It will take 1 hour to move from this 2 to this 3. આ 3 સુધી એને move થવા માટે એને 1 hour લાગશે. The minute hand takes 1 hour to go all around the clock. A minute hand આખું પાછું ફરીને અહીંયા 12 પર આવશે. એના માટે બી એને કેટલા hours જોઈએ છે? 1 hours જોઈએ છે. સમજ પડે ને? એક બીજો hand આવે એકદમ પતલો, જે કન્ટિન્યુઅસ મૂવમેન્ટ થયા કરે. That is your second hand. એ કયો hand હશે? Second hand. ને એ કન્ટિન્યુઅસલી એનામાં શું જોવા મળશે? આપણને મૂવમેન્ટ જોવા મળશે. Minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to another number. આ ગ્રીન કલરનો જે કાંટો છે, હેન્ડ છે, એ 12 થી 1 સુધી આવવા માટે કેટલો ટાઈમિંગ લે છે? 5 minutes. Means what? Between 8 and 9, between these two numbers, how many minutes are there? 5 minutes are there. You can just count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So between any two numbers there are 5 minutes. Count करिए. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. એટલે ટોટલ કેટલું થઈ ગયું? 60 થઈ ગયું. સમજ પડે છે? Right? Clear out થાય છે દીકરાઓ? Next, the clock tells us. હવે clock નું કામ શું છે? એ શું ડિરાઈવ કરીને આપે? So it determines us time. The clock shows or tells us the time. The clock has dash hand. How many hands are there? One is minute, another is hour. So how many hands are there? 2 hands are there. The face of the clock is marked with number. આ clock નું face છે તો numbers ક્યાંથી start થાય છે? 1 થી અને ક્યાં end થાય છે? 12. So it begins with 1 and ends at 12. Right? Are you getting me? Sure. So here are different clocks are there. Right? What we are going to do? We are going to just identify the time. We are going to just identify the time. The first one, you can see that minute hand is at 12 and second hour hand 7 o'clock. That will be 7 o'clock, or you can write 700. Right? 7 o'clock, or you can write 700. Right? Sure. Next, you can see that the hour hand, the smaller hand, is somewhat nearer to 7. કોની પાસે છે? 7 પાસે છે. So it's time to be 7 o'clock. 7 વાગવાના છે. But if I go with the clock and if I want to write the timing, then it will be quarter to 7. It will be quarter to 7. એનો મીનિંગ શું કે 7 વાગવામાં 15 મિનિટ બાકી છે. Still 15 minutes are remaining, and this can be identified in word figure as 6:45. It can be determined as 6:45. समझ पड़े छे? 45 ક્યાંથી આવ્યું? તો આ 5, આ 10, આ 15, this one will be 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and this will be 60. So minute is written after colon. Colon પછી શું દેખાય? Minute. ને પહેલા શું લખવાનું આવે? Hours. તો કેટલા hours? તો 6 ને પાસ કરી દીધું. એટલે 6 hours 45 minutes. So it can be written as 6:45. Right? Sure. Now here you can see that the hour hand is at 6. So it will be 6 hours and the minute hand is at 3. 3 means what? 15. So it will be 6 hours 15 minutes. Or we can write it as quarter past. Past એટલે ચાલી ગયા, 6 વાગી ગયા. Quarter past 6. It can be written as quarter past 6. કે 6 વાગીને 15 મિનિટ થઈ. Are you getting me that? Right? We have already seen in third standard that how to identify the time. Sure. Next, 7:15. Now we are going to represent on the clock the time 7:15. So 7 hour. The smaller end will be at which position? Will be at 7. बराबर? Smaller end क्या से 7 ऊपर. Then 15. 15 means what? Again you can say 15 means 3. So your minute hand must facing 3. Right? So this is the time for 7:15. Right? Are you getting me? Sure. Next, 4:30. Right? So the first one, the hour hand must be at or between 4 and 5. થોડું slightly 4 ને cross કરી દીધું. બરાબર? અને કેટલા છે? 30. 30 એટલે શું indicate કરશે? 6. So it will be like this. Right? It must be like this. So this is the way we can identify the time and we can represent the time on a clock. Now moving with our main topic, that is conversion of time. How to convert, the main thing. So in this chapter we are going to convert the bigger unit to the smaller unit. Right? જે bigger unit છે તેને કયા unit માં convert કરવાનું છે? Smaller unit માં. And since we are converting from bigger to smaller, we always multiply. જ્યારે બી bigger quantity માંથી smaller quantity માં transfer કરવાનું, convert કરવાનું હોય, at that time we always multiply that quantity. So here the first one, there are 7 conversions are there. The first one, if I want to convert hour into minute, what I have to remember that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour માં કેટલા મિનિટ્સ હોય છે? 60 મિનિટ્સ હોય છે. આપણે જોઈ ગયા. બરાબર ને? અને 12 6 3 9 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 11. આ કઈ ક્લોક રિપ્રેઝન્ટ હતું? આ 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 આ બધાની વચ્ચે 5 મિનિટ્સ નો ગેપ છે એટલે આપણે કહેવાય કે 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. એક કલાકમાં કેટલા મિનિટ હોય છે? 60 મિનિટ્સ હોય છે. And to convert hours into minute, we have to multiply by 60. We have to multiply by 60. Are you getting me? Second. 1 day 24 hours. अब 1 day spend करવું હોય તો કેટલા hours નીકળી જાય? 24 hours. કેવી રીતે? તો જોજો noon to midnight, noon to midnight, બપોરના 12 થી midnight ના 12 સુધી, 12 સુધી 12 hours આવે છે. પછી midnight થી noon સુધી બીજા 12 hours આવે છે. એટલે ટોટલ કેટલા hours થઈ જાય? 24 hours થઈ જાય. બરાબર? 1 day complete કરતા. Right? Next. So to convert days into hour, multiply days by 24. Every time we are going to multiply. So now we are going to multiply days by 24. Next, 1 week is equal to 7 days. Now we are very familiar about weeks: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So there are how many days are there? 7 days are there. And whenever we going to convert weeks into days, weeks ને સામા convert કરવાનું છે days માં, and again that time we will multiply with 7. Be careful, conversion में याद રાખવાનું કે શું છે ને શું નહીં. ચાલો, 1 month 30 days. બધાને આઈડિયા છે કે most probably we move with the 30 days. કે 1 month માં કેટલા આવે છે? 30 days આવે છે. So to convert months into days, multiply the given month by 30. કોની સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું છે? 30 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું છે. Generally we have to take 30 days. બરાબર? 31 આવે છે અમુકમાં. But here we are going to take only 30 days. Generally વાત કરવાની છે. Right? ચાલો. Next, 1 year is equal to 12 months. બધાને ખબર જ છે. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So from January to December, how many months are there? 12 months are there, and it will complete 1 year. So whenever we convert year into month, at that time we will multiply with 12. At that time we will multiply with 12. Right? Are you getting me? Sure. Next, 1 year is equal to 365 days. If I add all the days of each and every month, then the total will be 365. So here to convert years ને સામા convert કરવાનું છે days માં. At that time we will multiply with 365. બરાબર? આ તો તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું જેથી આપણે ફટાફટ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરી શકાય. And 1 year is most probably 52 weeks. 1 year માં કેટલા weeks આવશે? 52 weeks આવશે. Right? And to convert years into weeks, multiply years by 52. We have to multiply with 52. So here are the different conversion that we have to remember for our example purpose. Right? So let's try to solve the example related to these conversions. Now let's see the examples. Before moving to the example, let's write all the things that we have learned. That is 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then we have to learn about these will come. Then we have to learn about days. That 1 day is equal to 24 hours, right? Then we have learned about week. 1 week is equal to 7 days, right? Then we have seen about 1 month, that 1 month is equal to 30 days. Further, we have seen about years, that 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then 1 year is equal to 365 days, and 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. So these are the conversions that we have seen. Now by using this conversion, we are going to solve the examples. The first one, find the number of minutes in 5 hours. So we have to convert hours into minutes. So we have to move with that conversion. You can see that here is hour and minute. So we know that. What we know that? That 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, how many hours are given to you? 5 hours. So 5 hours is equal to how much? And we are very familiar that if you want to convert hours into minutes, at that time we have to multiply it by 60. And 6 5s are 30 and 1 0. So that will be 300 minutes. Right? Conversion આપણને ખબર જ છે કે 1 hour is equal to 60. So 5 hours કેટલા થશે? So it will be 5 multiplied by 60, and that will be 300 minutes. Right? Easy going conversions are there. Second, find the number of hours in day. Now we are dealing with hours and day. Hours and day over here. 1 day, 24 hours. So આપણે લખી દઈએ. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So how many days are given to you? 10 days. 10 days. How many hours? બરાબર? Days વધી ગયા. બરાબર ને? So at that time we will perform cross multiplication. That is 10 multiplied by 24. And 10 multiplied by 24 will be 240. And question mark is at hours. So it will be 240 hours. જોયું ને દીકરા? બહુ easy conversion છે. ખાલી જોવાનું સાને સામા કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું છે. Find the number of days in 7 weeks. So we are dealing about days and week. Days and week. Days and week. Oh yeah. What is given to you? That 1 week is equal to 7 days. Therefore, how many weeks are given to you? 7 weeks is equal to how many days? तो जो દીકરાઓ વીક વધી ગયા 1 ના 7 થઈ ગયા તો આપણે અહીંયા શું કરવાનું? મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. that is 7 multiplied by 7. 7 sevens are 49 days. ક્લિયર થયું? વસ્તુ ઘટ્યું વધ્યું તો આપણે અહીંયા મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવું પડશે સામસામે. એને કહેવાય ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન. બરાબર? ચલો નેક્સ્ટ. Find the number of days in month. 8 month. એટલે days અને month ની વાત કરીએ છીએ તો here we are very familiar. What we are very familiar? That 1 month is equal to how many days? 30 days. Therefore, how many months are given to you? 8 months. 8 months will be how much? जो मंथ વધી ગયા મંથ 7 ના કેટલા થઈ ગયા? 8. અહીંયા પાછું શું કરવાનું? ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લાય. So that is 8 multiplied by 30. 8 3s are 24 અને પેલો 0. So 240. 40 days. Are you getting? It's very easy to solve that. Move. So moving ahead with an example. The first one. Find the number of days in a year. Now we are dealing with days and year. So search the conversion days and year. Days and whole year. Years and days are given to you. So what we can say that 1 year is equal to 365 days. Therefore, for 6 years. Why 6 years? Because we have to find for 6 years. 6 years, how many days? Now here you can see that the number of years increases. Years boli gaya. So at that time again we will perform cross multiplication. That is 6 multiplied by 365. So let's multiply 365 multiplied by 6. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36, 37, 38, 39. 3 6s are 18, 19, 20, 21. So that will be 2190 days. बराबर? See, it's very easy. खाली numbers कोना multiply करवानो एक में ही है. Right? Next, find the number of months in 10 years. So we are dealing with months and year. Is there any conversion for months and year? Months and year? Months and year? Yes. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. કારણ કે એક યર માં કેટલા મંથ આવે? 12 મંથ. તો તેવા આપણે કેટલા years લેવાના છે? 10 years. See, years વધી ગયા. So month કેવી રીતે શોધાશે? So that will be 10 multiplied by 12. That is 120. Sorry. Months. Right? Sure. Okay. Find the number of weeks in 9 years. The conversion of weeks and years. Again we are very familiar that in 1 year, how many weeks are there? 52 weeks are there. बराबर नहीं? So therefore, for 9 years, how much? So again you can see the number of years increases. That is 9 multiplied by 52. 52 multiplied by 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 5s are 45 plus 1 46. That's 468 weeks. समझ पड़े कि 9th year में कितना weeks आवश्य 468 weeks आवश्य. Are you getting with my points? Sure. Next, find the number of days in 15 weeks. So again you can see that conversion between days and weeks. Days and week, day and week, day and week, day and week, days and week. So here 1 week is equal to 7 days. Therefore 15 weeks will be how much? So that is 15 multiplied by 7. You can see that number of week increases. એટલે મારે શું કરવું પડશે અહીંયા? Cross multiply કરવું પડશે. So 7 5s are 35 and 105. 15 7s are 105. So how many days will be there? 105 days will be there. Now quick check. Let's see on the basis of the conversion. The first one, 5 minutes 34 seconds is equal to how many seconds? Now here what we are going to do? We are going to convert each and everything into second. સામાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું છે, સેકન્ડમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું છે. બરાબર? તો ધ્યાનથી જો મારી પાસે બે કન્વર્ઝન છે. right? There are two conversions, minute and second. So what I am the first step I am going to do? I am going to separate it out. So 5 minutes plus 34 seconds. Now here I am not going to change second. કારણ કે મને આન્સર સામાં જોઈતો છે સેકન્ડ માં જોઈતો છે તો હું સેકન્ડ ને ચેન્જ કરવાનો નથી હું કોને ચેન્જ કરા મિનિટ ને but is there any conversion so one more conversion comes here that 1 minute is equal to 60 second 1 minute માં કેટલા સેકન્ડ આવે છે 60 સેકન્ડ આવે છે so I am going to multiply this 5 minutes with 60 so it will convert into second minute ને સામાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું છે સેકન્ડ માં તો multiply by 60 plus 34 seconds that is equal to 5 into 60 that will be 300 second plus 34 second दोनों को प्लस कर दो so that will be 334 second right આગળ જેવું આપણે કરી ગયા મિનિટ કિલોમીટર મીટર રાઈટ ગ્રામ કિલોગ્રામ તે રીતનું જ છે right whenever we come across two different unit at that time we will perform this type of functions and try to convert the first one by multiplying with certain numbers second one 7 hours 12 minutes so this can be written as 7 hours plus 12 minutes that is equal to now answer I want in minutes so no need to change minute I have to change hour so what function will come so here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes so 7 hours will be 7 multiplied by 60 and it will convert into minute plus 12 minute so that is equal to 6 7s are 42 and 0 minute plus 12 minute so that will be if I add it up that will be 432 minutes કેટલા આવશે 432 right are you getting my points sure moving ahead 1 day 5 hours is equal to how many hours now here you can see that again two conversions are there so I am going to split that one so 1 day plus 5 hours therefore I want answer in hours तो हमारे पास एक daily છે તો મારે daily ને પહેલા કન્વર્ટ કરવું પડશે is there any conversion from here yes so 1 day how many hours 24 hours that will be 1 multiplied by 24 and days will convert into hours plus 5 hours so that is equal to 24 hours plus 5 hours if I add it up then it will be 29 hours so how many hours will be there 29 and the last one 3 weeks 3 days and I have to convert into days so what I am going to do I am going to split these two so 3 weeks plus 3 days I am not going to convert days I am going to convert weeks is there any conversion yes 1 week is equal to 7 days so 3 weeks will be 3 multiplied by 7 and it will convert into days plus 3 days 3 7s are 21 days plus 3 days and that will be 24 days right so in this way we can first split the two quantities and then try to convert those things in which we have to find the answer okay got it